Howdy folks, and welcome to Risky Business. So this is the final video for the bench, and we'll just be doing the final assembly today. So I cut out all the footage of me being stubborn and trying to assemble all of this myself, and so I got some help from my girlfriend. And Rocco's here just watching and growling at people. All the supports were really bent on here, and so I've been putting all the metal parts into the vise and bending them into the correct shape and just feeling how it goes and then bending it a little bit at a time. So I started the screws with the drill, and then I hand tightened all of them because they're only a 1/2 inch screw and I really didn't want to strip the wood. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. The next project I'm working on is a forge, and be getting into some metal casting. Thanks.